Hello friend, welcome back to my channel TechW3 Wave. This is Vijay Kumar. Today in this lesson we will be see an example of record trigger flow in Salesforce. So here we will be update parent to child record using loop element. In the previous lesson you have learned we have update the parent to child record without loop element. So in this lesson we will be see update the record parent to child using the loop element. The scenario is whenever account name is updated, then update the related opportunity name automatically through record trigger flow. So let's jump to the my Salesforce credential org. So this is my Salesforce credential org of development. Here I am clicking a new button to create a new flow. I am selecting record trigger flow because I am updating the record of parent to child. Here I want to select account because I am updating the record of account. Here I am selecting a record of updated because I am updating record of account. Now I make a condition here. If account name is changed, then it will be executed. So account name is changed equal to true. If account name change, then this record trigger flow will be executed and done. I'm changing the auto layout to free form. Now I am using the loop condition. So here I will get all of the opportunity. Get record, get OPP record. So I am getting all of the related list of opportunity. Condition is if account ID is equal to record dot account ID. Account ID. If account ID lookup field of opportunity equal to the record of account, then all record will be fetched. So I am selecting all of the records. So make collection. Done. So I am getting all of the record of opportunity. After that, I am checking the decision here. Check decision for null of OPT record. Check decision for null of opportunity record. Check null OPT. Get opportunity is null equal to false. Get opportunity is null equal to false. Done. After I will make a loop here. Loop for get OPT. Collection get opportunity record and done. After that, I will create variable to store a record ID. So I will create a new variable, record variable, API name, OPT, record, var, opportunity record variable, record data type, record, object name, opportunity, and done. I will create another one variable that is a related list of opportunity. So variable API name OPT record list var variable opportunity, OPT record list variable, data type record, objective opportunity, and this time I will create a collection of variables. So check mark allow multiple values and done. I have created two variable, record variable and collection of record variable of opportunity. After that, I will use a new assignment. Assign opportunity record. Opportunity record value. Assign opportunity record value. The variable will be opportunity record. Opportunity record. Dot record ID. Dot opportunity ID is loop dot opportunity record ID. Opportunity ID. And done. I will assign the opportunity name. So because I am updating the account name into the opportunity name. So here I will be update the opportunity record dot name equal to record dot name. I am assigning the opportunity name. I am passing the account name. So I am in this assignment I am using two of variables, name and opportunity ID, and we are passing the account name and done. Match the arrow. After that, I will be assign a new assignment, list of the collection variable. Collection for collection variable of OPT. So here list OPT, that is a variable name, and add equal to OPT opportunity record. This one nothing to simply pass the opportunity record variable. So I am adding the list of variable, opportunity list of variable to add opportunity record. And after that I will be update the record of opportunity. So here update the record, update OPT record. This time I will select use the IDs all the field values, and I will pass the collection of opportunity record. This value. Then done. Match the arrow. Now I am saving the flow. Update OPT from account using loop. Update opportunity from account using loop and save. Then activating this flow. Now I am going to the account and update the any of the record. So go to the account, opening one record. As you see, Vijay take W3 wave, it is a name of the account, and then go to the related list. And there are two related opportunities from this account. So if I changing the name of the account, both opportunity name will be automatically changed using record trigger flow. So now I am changing W3 WebNet account. W3 WebNet account. Now I am going to save it. So now record of account is updated. Now go to the related list and you can see W3 WebNet account, both opportunity has been changed automatically through record trigger flow. So friends, try to do in your side, in your personal org. If you getting anything issue, please write in comment box and don't forget to subscribe my channel.